Today I'm making a mushroom and spinach stromboli. Start by melting a tablespoon of butter in your pan, adding onions and garlic until soft. Then you're going to take your cooked spinach, place it in paper towels, and squeeze out your excess liquid. Try not to make a mess. You could use fresh or frozen spinach. Add the spinach to your saucepan and toss it. Then you're going to add your pre-toasted mushrooms, toss it all together again, and then set aside. Next, it's time to prepare this wonderful puff pastry. You want to lightly flour your surface, roll the dough out just a little bit, and then you're going to cut slits along both sides. You're going to place the mushroom and spinach mixture in the center, and then you're going to layer the feta, parmesan, and mozzarella cheeses on top. Fold the center in first and then the sides up, overlapping them for that classic Stromboli braid. Finally, you're going to mix your egg with a little bit of water and brush it over your dough to give it that golden glossy finish. Bake in a 400-degree oven until golden brown, and your Stromboli is ready to enjoy.